8453. The purpose of a hydraulic pressure regulator is to A. Prevent the system pressure from rising above a predetermined amount due to thermal expansion. B. Boost the pressure in portions of the system. C. Relieve the pump of its load when no actuating units are being operated. The correct answer is C. A hydraulic system pressure regulator, also known as an unloading valve, plays an important role in relieving the pump of its load when no units in the system are being actuated. This helps prevent excessive pressure buildup and strain on the pump. The regulator achieves this by diverting excess flow back to the reservoir, thus unloading the pump. In conjunction with the pressure regulator, an accumulator is utilized to maintain the system pressure at the desired level during periods of pump unloading. The accumulator acts as a temporary storage device for hydraulic energy, ensuring a stable pressure supply even when the pump is not actively supplying fluid to the system. 8454. Severe kickback of the emergency hydraulic hand pump handle during the normal intake stroke will indicate which of the following? A. The hand pump inlet check valve is sticking open. B. The main system relief valve is set too high. C. The hand pump outlet check valve is sticking open. The correct answer is C. Severe kickback of the emergency hydraulic hand pump handle during the normal intake stroke indicates that the hand pump outlet check valve is sticking open. The hydraulic hand pump is designed to generate hydraulic pressure by manually operating the pump handle. During the intake stroke, the pump draws fluid from the reservoir into the pump chamber. The fluid is then pressurized during the pressure stroke and delivered to the hydraulic system. When the hand pump outlet check valve is sticking open, it fails to close properly during the intake stroke. This allows pressurized fluid from the hydraulic system to flow back into the pump chamber, resulting in severe kickback of the pump handle. The kickback occurs as the high-pressure fluid forcefully returns to the pump chamber, creating resistance against the operator's hand. 8455. What type of valve in an aircraft hydraulic system permits fluid to flow freely in one direction, but restricts the rate at which fluid is allowed to flow in the other direction? A. Check valve. B. Orifice restrictor. C. Orifice check valve. The correct answer is C. An orifice check valve is a type of valve that allows fluid to flow freely in one direction while restricting the rate of flow in the opposite direction. It consists of an orifice, which is a small opening or passage that acts as a flow restrictor. When the fluid flows in the desired direction, the orifice check valve opens, allowing the fluid to pass through with minimal resistance. However, when the fluid tries to flow in the opposite direction, the orifice check valve restricts the flow by creating a pressure drop across the orifice, effectively limiting the flow rate. This helps maintain proper fluid direction and control within a hydraulic system. 8456. The main system pressure relief valve in a simple hydraulic system equipped with a power control valve should be adjusted. A. With the power control valve held in the closed position. B. While one or more actuating units are in operation. C. With the power control valve in the open position. The correct answer is A. A hydraulic power control valve is a manual shutoff valve with an automatic turn-on feature in hydraulic systems. It is designed to be closed manually but opens automatically. When the valve is in the open position, it allows unrestricted fluid circulation from the engine-driven pump back to the reservoir, relieving the pump of its load. This helps prevent excessive pressure buildup in the system. To adjust the system pressure relief valve, the power control valve needs to be pushed to the closed position and held there until the system pressure reaches a sufficient level for adjusting the relief valve. This ensures proper adjustment of the relief valve and maintains the desired system pressure. 8456-1. Which of the following safeguards ensures proper system operation and mitigates damage to non-metallic components of the hydraulic system? A. The manual bleed valve should be closed prior to servicing hydraulic fluid to prevent fluid loss as the cap is being removed. B. Before assembly of any hydraulic components, seals and gaskets should be inspected and replaced only if they show signs of wear or leakage. C. When adding fluid to a system, use the type specified in the aircraft manufacturer's maintenance manual or on the instruction plate affixed to the reservoir or unit being serviced. The correct answer is C. When it comes to safeguarding proper system operation and mitigating damage to non-metallic components of the hydraulic system, using the correct type of fluid is crucial. Option C states that when adding fluid to a system, one should use the type specified in the aircraft manufacturer's maintenance manual or on the instruction plate affixed to the reservoir or unit being serviced. Non-metallic components, such as seals, gaskets, hoses, and other flexible elements of the hydraulic system, are designed to work optimally with specific types of hydraulic fluid. Using the wrong type of fluid can lead to compatibility issues, deterioration, swelling, leaks, or other forms of damage to these components.